Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, September 6th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad, just need this coffee to get me started. It's gonna be a long day.
I feel you. Coffee is the only thing keeping me awake right now.
Same here, without it, I'm useless in the office.
Totally, so what's new with you today?
Oh, I was reading about this big trade deal in Europe. Did you see it?
Yeah, I heard something about it. What's the deal?
They're making trade easier between countries over there. I think it's gonna help my sales a lot.
That sounds promising. More trade could mean more business for everyone.
Exactly. I might get new clients from other countries.
That's a good point. It could open up new markets for us.
Yeah, I'm excited. More markets, more money, right?
True, but I wonder if small companies can handle the change. It might be tough for them.
Maybe. I just hope it means more orders for me to close.
Let's hope it works out. It's a big move for Europe.
For sure. I'll keep an eye on it for my sales reports.
Good idea. It might affect our projects too, in the long run.
Yeah, we'll see. Hey, speaking of new stuff, did you hear about that app called Team Sync?
No, what's that? Tell me about it.
It's a new app for work. You can chat with the team and share files super easy.
Oh, that sounds helpful. Is it hard to use?
Nah, not at all. I tried it yesterday and even I got it working.
That's saying something. We really need better tools for teamwork.
Right. No more searching for lost emails or files.
I like that idea. It could save us a lot of time.
Totally. Less time on emails, more time for coffee breaks.
I'm all for that. I'll check it out later today.
Cool. Let me know if you like it. I think it's going to be a game changer.
I will. Does it work on all computers?
Yeah, I think so. I used it on my office laptop with no problem.
Nice. I'll download it after my meeting this morning.
Good plan. Hey, on a different note, did you hear about that new movie coming out?
A new movie? No, what's it called?
It's called Office Chaos. It's a comedy about crazy things happening in an office.
That sounds like it could be about us. When is it coming out?
I think next month or so. We should definitely watch it together.
Yeah, that would be fun. I could use a good laugh.
Me too. I bet they'll have a boss just like ours in the movie.
Maybe. Or a coffee machine that breaks every day.
Oh, don't even say that. This machine is my lifeline.
True, we can't survive without it. It's the real hero of the office.
You're not wrong. I'd be lost without my morning cup.
Same here. So how's your week been so far?
Pretty busy, to be honest. I've got a ton of calls to make today.
I know the feeling. I've got a big project update meeting soon.
Meetings? They always take forever, don't they?
Yeah, sometimes. But I need to keep the team on track.
Fair enough. I just hope my clients don't keep me on the phone too long.
Good luck with that. You've got the charm to close those deals.
Thanks, Alex. I'll need all the charm I can get today.
You'll do fine. Just keep smiling through the calls.
I'll try. So, back to that trade deal, do you think it'll change prices for stuff we buy?
It might. Easier trade could mean cheaper goods, I guess.
That'd be nice. Lower costs could help my sales pitch.
True. It could also help with project budgets if things cost less.
Fingers crossed. I'll take any help I can get with clients.
Same here. Let's see if it really makes a difference.
Yeah, I'll check the news again later. Gotta stay updated.
Good idea. I might read more about it during lunch.
Cool. Hey, about that Team Sync app, do you think the whole team will use it?
I hope so. It could make managing projects much smoother.
Yeah, no more confusion over who's doing what. I'm all for that.
Exactly. Clear communication is key for my work.
Same for sales. I need to know what's going on with orders.
Let's push the team to try it. It might speed things up.
Agreed. I'll mention it to a few people today.
Great. I'll bring it up in my meeting too.
Nice. Oh, and about that movie, Office Chaos, do you think it'll be funny for real?
I hope so. Office life has so many funny moments to show.
Like when the printer jams right before a deadline.
Or when someone forgets to mute on a call, so embarrassing.
Oh yeah, I've done that before, never again.
We've all been there. It's part of office life.
True. I just hope the movie shows all the silly stuff we deal with.
Me too. It'll be nice to laugh at ourselves a bit.
For sure. Hey, I think I've been standing here too long.
Yeah, me too. I've got to prep for that meeting.
Same. Gotta get to my desk and start those calls.
All right, let's get to it. See you later, David.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too. Good luck with your clients.
Thanks. Catch you at the coffee machine tomorrow.
For sure. Don't forget to bring some good news.
I'll try my best. See ya.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.